If you want to use call captions during a call on Samsung Galaxy A37, once you are on a call, you should be able to tap on these three dots over here where it says more, and then we have the call captions option. So you can just tap over here, and then call captions are enabled. Of course, over here you should be able to see whatever you are saying or whatever the caller is saying. And in case you want to go back to, if you want to disable captions, you want to go back to the normal call menu, you can use this icon here in the upper left corner. In case you do not have the call captions option over here in more, you want to open the phone app, then go to these three dots on the right side or in the upper right corner, and you want to open settings. Now once you go to the call settings, then in here we can find call captions, and then you should be able to turn it on and set it up. You can only do so if you are not on a call. So if you are on a call, then you want to end it first. Leave a like and subscribe.